Hi everyone, my name is Hannah and today I want to show you how I'm drawing stickers. I decided to make a series of videos where I'm creating a sticker book. This is the first sticker from it and I have already made a sketch, and if you want me to show you how I'm doing sketch, let me know in comments and I will film it next time. First of all, I'm making a line art. Outside I decided to make stroke black and inside I'm making it with light brown color. I don't know why, but I really like the effects on illustration. Also, if you want, you can order stickers from me. And if you like this video or maybe content that I'm creating, please let me know in comments or just press like or subscribe to my channel. I will be so happy. I decided to make stickers with cute anime girls. I don't know why, but I really like this style. I feel this illustration with really cute details like her hair clips and her fur coat. I also did patch on her nose. As always, one of the hardest parts of illustration is create a similar eyes. And now I'm starting to fill her with color. I do it on different layers: her skin, her hairs, her clothes, everything on different layers. And here I'm starting to add in shadows on her face. I'm also adding shadows to her hair, and I also create some highlights on her hairs. Right now I'm doing her sweater more textured. And I also add some shadows and texture to her coat. Then I'm adding some texture to her fur. It's really inaccessibly, but I'm doing it anyway. I also add some shadows on her eyes and also add highlights. Then I add a couple details in her badge. And I add some pink highlights to her hair and to her skin. And finally, I removed all backgrounds and I used pen tool to create a white stroke. And that's it, my first sticker is ready. Thank you for watching.